Hello, and welcome to this video introducing the 2024 version update of CADmeister, focusing on the CAM section. Now, let's begin with the first topic, CAMX. In CAMX, we've added 3 new processes. The first one is curve cutting. This process type is a function that creates a path along a specified line. In the process setting, the path height is set to tool center and correction amount is specified to perform path calculation. You can create a path that cuts at a certain depth from a specified line like this. Also, if you want to process the grooves here, we can do so by using curve cutting. Set the path height to tool touch height when machining the groove. And I will show you by use Display Tool by Trace to show simulation. You can see now tool cutting on one way with tilt. It's smooth. Second process is offset along surface. This machining type generates a constant pitch path between perimeter lines on a surface. We will showcase processing patterns using paths defined by green wire lines. This creates a path that is offset from the outer line and cut by the inner line. Unnecessary deceleration can be avoided by filleting corners or adding a radius to the path. Paths can be offset from an inner line or from both an outer and inner line. Specifying guidelines enables paths to follow them or extend beyond the outer circumference, allowing diverse machining variations. Third process is along to curved surface. Specify 2 guidelines within the machining range to create an equal pitch path between them. In addition, loop and spiral trajectories can be created for close guidelines. Now coming to second topic of CAMX about addition of existing process parameters. First, we improve the flat section path in the contour finishing process. In CADmeister version 2024, flat offset and flat scan have been newly added. I will show the results of these two settings so you can see a comparison of how they differ. The next function allows setting the contour path to reduce machining load when entering the groove. To avoid the big diameter tool created inside the groove, which could result in a high machining load. The setting prevents the contour path from entering the groove. Radius of R-shape amount to leaf setting can be handled by a small diameter tool using trochoidal cutting, enabling efficient cutting with less machining load. Next, we will introduce how to handle the retract radius of contour machining. This setting adds arc retract at contour interruptions, preventing contact with the product shape. The radius of R-shape amount to leaf can be addressed by expanding the path range for corner machining in the next process. Now coming to third topic of CAMX. Now possible to set the residual amount individually in the process parameters. This setting enables different residual amounts for the wall and bottom sides. This setting reducing the amount of editing and modeling work. In this version, machining area supports multiple individual residual amounts. Individual residual surface has been expanded from 1 to 7. After register, the information will show in command setting. And can click Display to show TempFig color at model. The result confirmation after performing a surface check has been improved. It will show with blinking, and you can make it blink again using the temporary shape blink. Now we come to the CAM measurement section. Now, on-machine measurement supports arbitrary points on surfaces. Arbitrary surface points viewed from a specific direction. The selected points are visible on the surface, making it easy to locate them. Then, let's try the calculation. Next, we will introduce the macro for manual measurement. Outputs a measurement program using data for manual measurement. This measurement program uses call statements in OSP and is set up in a format that outputs the coordinate values measured to a file. The output NC data file can be input into a measurement table to check the amount of error. Measured value can input data from your standard to check the error value. Improved operability and automation will make measurement work more efficient. Now we come to CAMSTRUCTURE. In this year, the bottom machining, the path creation range has been enhanced. When Create Closed Path in Option setting is set to Yes, it is now possible to specify the path creation range. And input expansion value to create extended path. Check result by display tool circle on path. This improves efficiency of seat machining data based on allowance. And it allows creation of seat machining paths independent of surrounding shape. This option generates paths within the tool center range along the seating surface. Tool path along the boundary surface while avoiding interference with another shape. Next is set the tool center on function. This is a conventional setting. This function avoids interference with surrounding shapes and reduces the cutting length, allowing for more efficient machining. For wall processing, the minimum transition setting has been added to the pick movement. On the Pick Movement tab, select Minimum as the pick type. This function can reduce machining time with efficient transitions. Next is Enhanced Plunging process. Pull cut has been added to contour plunge wall. Firstly, show you with pull cut set no to perform machining by using the plunge. This function helped to improve the finish quality after plunging of tall standing walls. And then if you select Yes for pull cut. The tool path will pull cut the same way as plunging. The tool's approach and removal operations will always occur high up on the wall, improving safety during unmanned machining. We come to 3D Profile. Now possible to specify a parallel sweep body of any polygon. Okay, I will actually use automatic processing design to create. Set the rule to detect. For example, I set a profile line with blue color, solid and thick line. When checking the steel material using the CAM processing features, as you can see, the shape of each steel material is recognized. It has been created taking into account the shape of the steel material. Compared to the past, now optimal steel shape and path without air cuts. The cutting lengths, they have been reduced, as shown. We come to CAM Enhancement. In this version, the thickness and process group can be output. The scaling and MC data come from CAM property. An additional item in the NC datasheet is the thickness for the process group. This year about FMCAM2. Many processes have been improved in terms of path calculation, resulting in a speed increase of over 40%. As for the settings, they can be easily configured using environment variables. Now we come to the final topic, Electrode CAM. New function for 2024 is fully automatic electrode machining design. I will show by first select a model and apply the rule to automatically generate the toolpath. Select a calculation method that can be combined it. You can register other models using different methods to calculate together. After calculation process setup, interference check and NC data output are all performed automatically. NC data can be automatically created for multiple data. After calculation, the generated path is saved in the original file. That concludes all the topics in the CAM session for the 2024 version update. Thank you for your attention and for watching.